All right, everyone, welcome to Vultr's first LinkedIn Live of GTC. We're very excited to be here, and we have some very special partners joining us for this live. Would you all like to introduce yourselves? Let us know who you are, who you're with, and what you're doing here.
Sure, ladies first.
Oh, thank you. Hi, my name's Jennifer Woodford. I'm the VP of Customer Success from Heavy.AI, and we are pleased to be here in the Vultr booth, showcasing our GPU accelerated analytics solution.
Hi, my name is Liam. I'm honored to be the new CEO of SQream. We're here delighted to be at the Vultr booth for our cooperation for accelerating AI.
Excellent. We're very happy to have you all here. So, gonna hit you with a hard question first. What's the most exciting announcement y'all have heard at NVIDIA, or I'm sorry, at GTC 2025? I know there's a lot of them, so you have to choose.
So I'll be rude and I will not choose. And I'll tell you why, because I think it's a combination of multiple announcements that basically shows that the industry has matured and moved from theory of models into practicality. We now see real use cases addressing real pains with customers, whether it's predictive maintenance, whether it's fraud detection or scoring in the financial industry, whether it's the ability to predict your supply chain. So we're seeing this reality becomes a fact of life. And in this context, I think that the cooperation between Vultr and us sits at the exact place where it should be, where we couple availability of GPUs with the ability to do the data processing at a much faster and better way.
Excellent answer.
Thank you.
How about you?
I think certainly from Jensen's keynote this morning, a lot of the new partnerships that they're announcing, as well as the new products to come from the roadmap, are really going to offer some exciting opportunities, not just for organizations like ours, but also all of our customers, and how much they will be able to leap forward and start planning now for what really needs to come.
Excellent. Yes, I agree with all of that. So, how do you see cloud infrastructure evolving to support next gen AI models in the next month, 3 months, year, eternity?
Oh, there's so much going on. So from a Heavy.AI perspective, we offer an advanced analytics solution that really focuses in on helping support geospatial and time set data sets. And with the way that data is growing these days, and the ability now for us to have machines and resources available to really process all of those queries and really be able to explore what all of these data sets have to offer, I think is really what we're looking forward to.
Awesome.
I think it's very similar to what we're seeing. We see a pivotal moment in the world of AI. It's the, I would say, tectonic movement of big data becoming really big, AI becoming a reality, and GPU becoming a real thing. I mean, when we started, GPU was used by 3 gamers worldwide. And I think that this alignment prepares the world for a new thing, and that's availability of AI for everybody. And I think that the availability of high performance GPUs within the Vultr cloud, coupled together with what we're focusing on everything AI. So from data preparation through InDB model training and up to the inference itself. So together we're able to bring this news of AI to everybody, and not just the big giants who have the money for it.
Yeah. Excellent. We love that democratization of AI. I think that's a great angle. And so, we're really excited to announce availability of the NVIDIA HGX B200 ourselves. And but how is access to powerful GPUs like that changing AI-driven industries?
I think it changes the industry, and I'll explain why. There is shortage of GPUs, and the big guys stood in line and got the big majority of those GPUs, and then there is no availability for high-performance GPUs like the H200 to medium to small enterprises. And I think that the availability of such powerful GPUs on the cloud and the ability to harness those really brings what we just described, democratization of AI for everybody.
Absolutely.
From our side, I think, one of the things that we've loved about partnering with Vultr is just the access to these machines. And we've been running some proof of concepts with a couple of customers, and the positive feedback that is coming almost immediately is really exciting to see. And I think a lot of it is just access. And there have been such capacity challenges, large capacity challenges, and, no availability, that when vendors like Vultr are there and partners like Vultr are there, it really opens up the opportunity to everyone.
Excellent. And, either of you can answer this if you want. What's one underrated AI technology or approach that deserves more attention?
Oh,
No pressure.
No pressure. I think I have one. I think that when people talk today about AI, everybody loves to talk about Gen AI, but people still need to remember that more than 76% of AI applications today are still predictive AI. And I think that in that sense, the Rapids framework that NVIDIA brought to the world is not treated well yet. And I think this is a game changer that I would encourage everybody to look into in more details, because it opens up so many opportunities for organizations that until now were not exposed to the abilities of predictive AI.
Absolutely. Yeah. Excellent.
I think the other part that I would like to add is, in terms of accessibility to everyone, we are just at the start of the journey here. And as NVIDIA brings more incredibly innovative solutions to market, everyone is going to be utilizing AI and leveraging and benefiting from AI in all parts of our lives. And while we see it, be fairly prevalent in, from an enterprise business perspective, as it pushes out more into everyone's everyday life, I think there's going to be a lot of innovation. I think there's a lot of opportunity for creativity. And, the best is yet to come.
Yep.
I love that. That's a great button to end this Q&A on. But is there anything else y'all wanted to add or make note of as we ramp up GTC?
I just want to make sure that everybody enjoys AI, because it is the revolution.
Yeah.
And as you said, it's just the beginning of it.
Yeah.
It is. From the Heavy side, we'd like to invite folks to hear Todd Mostak, our CEO and founder, present here at the Vultr booth tomorrow afternoon, Wednesday at 4 p.m.
Excellent. Well, thank you both. This has been a pleasure talking with both of you, and I look forward to seeing more innovations from everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
you.
Take care.